Yeah, this is something weird.
Weird?
What's going on?
Fight. I feel like that we're supposed to be like cool. Yeah, right?
Yeah, in my mind, memories of a dead man. Not sure at all about my time. Enemies in my head, and I hate him and I love him. I obey him, but I don't trust him. I betray him, then I rush him, then I hate him, lift him up, and I'm confused. Who am I? Sephiroth, hurry up and die. Then I'll be closer to where all the answers lie. My hair is long and pretty like a handsome guy, but my sword's intimidating that you can't deny. Speak softly, carry a big blade. Wanna be fly, better graphical than PS3 and HD Strata graphical upgrade, and I jump stage. I'm blasting off. Zach got sprayed like a rabid dog, and I don't remember how, but I have a stalks. Unsure of myself from a big god detractor. How'd I end up in this Mako reactor? A mercenary killing scorpion attackers. No one believes in me before I'm slashing. They count me out, but like Tebow, I'm bashing their hopes and dreams. Trying to stop this Genova scheme. Stuck on Ares, but I fly from it even though I went dead spit game with a Shira scope for me. Sack the 5T for roll with me. I'm just after Sephiroth. Chase him hard, call me a guitar hero, cause I'm never soft and I'm on. I woke up with my memories in Zach's, but I'm going hard as the clearer pictures coming back. Sephiroth, you better hide, cause I'm bona fide. My crew is drunk and I take them to Cloud9. Cloud9, Cloud9. We shoot you down and lift us up all the way to Cloud9. Cloud9, Cloud9. We shoot you down and lift us up all the way to Cloud9. Single-winged angel, antics with the fame hell. Acting hard, but I recognize fear's aroma, and you have the same smell. I don't wanna keep it going, but you're killing innocent people, and that's the fact on which I can't dwell. Plus, Eris is an ancient, and her ancestors know her name well. Trying to preserve her life, cause she kinda wants to leave the planet. I want that like I want chocobo meat with pepper sauce and bananas. Sounds disgusting, but you got me killing her because I failed to. Failed you? Why'd I even want to obey you? She's impaled too. That snapped me out of my thoughts to this battle I fought. You'll never bring that meteor down and become a god on my watch. Everybody's blaming me like this is something I wrought. So I'll kill Hojo and our enemies because I'm raw. Tifa's got the hot for me, and honestly, I'm feeling that. As long as Sephiroth is gone and we make it home, so I'm killing that. Destroy Genova, release holy. See that Ares has a card to play. Save the world, the quest is over. Time to forget those harder days, and that's real. I woke up with my memories in Zach's, but I'm going hard as the clearer pictures coming back. Sephiroth, you better hide, cause I'm bona fide. My crew is drunk and I take them to Cloud9. Cloud9, Cloud9. We shoot you down and lift us up all the way to Cloud9. Cloud9, Cloud9. We shoot you down and lift us up all the way to Cloud9. Yeah, I had to do it. It's such a classic. Final Fantasy VII. Gamer Hop. Dash. Sayonara.